Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove seats in a Ford Transit 350. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a pry tool. Make sure your Ford Transit 350 is on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for safety. Next, carefully locate all the seat mounting bolts and any electrical connections, such as those for airbags or seat heaters, underneath the seat you plan to remove. Now it's time to disconnect any electrical harnesses. These are usually secured with clips, so a gentle pry tool might be helpful. Once all connections are free, use your ratchet and the correct socket size to loosen and remove all the seat mounting bolts. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts per seat. Remember to keep all the removed bolts in a safe spot, perhaps a small container, so they don't get lost. With all bolts removed and electrical connections disconnected, carefully tilt the seat back to double-check for anything you might have missed. These seats can be quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so it's a good idea to have a second person help you. Gently lift the seat out of the vehicle, guiding it through the side or rear door, being careful not to scratch any interior surfaces. After successfully removing the seat, take a moment to inspect the floor area for any debris or small pieces of hardware that might have been left behind. It's also a good practice to cover any exposed bolt holes to prevent dirt and moisture from entering the vehicle's interior. If you're planning a more complex seating reconfiguration, consider consulting a professional to ensure safety and compliance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.